The new Toyota Land Cruiser is here. Well, not here as in the United States, but certain regions of the world like the Middle East and Russia are welcoming in the hotly anticipated LC300. You've likely seen your fair share of spy shots with undisguised vehicles, and now it's our first official look at the company's flagship SUV. Gone is the thirsty 5.7-liter V8 naturally aspirated engine, replaced by a newly developed twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6. It pumps out 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Despite having two fewer cylinders, the pair of turbos help the V6 develop nearly 30 horsepower more than the V8, while torque is substantially up by almost 80 pound-feet. Thanks to forced induction, you get a lot more power in the low RPMs as well as better fuel economy. Only this engine has been announced by Toyota's Russian division, but in some parts of the world, there should also be a 3.3-liter twin-turbo diesel. It's expected to have 305 horsepower and 516 pound-feet, although it's best to wait for some of the company's other regional branches to confirm the specifications of the new V6 oil burner. The gas engine works with a 10-speed automatic transmission and helps the new Land Cruiser reach 62 miles per hour in 6.7 seconds, which is a respectable figure given the SUV's weight and size. The interior has been subjected to massive changes to accommodate a standard 9-inch infotainment or an optional 12.3-inch screen. Owners will benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, wireless smartphone charging, a 360-degree camera, and a head-up display. A powered tailgate will also be available, along with an electrically adjustable steering wheel, air ionizer, and even a fingerprint authentication system. Toyota's latest safety sense array has been implemented in the 2022 Land Cruiser, and it includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and adaptive high beam.
Subscribe to Auto TV.